I'm Tom Lewaniak, and this is my wife Alice. And we recently decided to have a remodeling job done here in our condo. Our son lives here, and Alice kept on coming over and saying, you know, this place looks outdated. We had our house done a while ago, and we had nice cabinets put in, and we said, hey, he deserves that too. So he decided, I'd like to do that too. And we did.
Once we walked in that showroom, it was so easy. And we worked with Dove. She just gave us the selections and we sat in a chair. And instead of walking down an aisle at a big box store and saying, here, go pick this tile, we had 3 or 4 selections. She talked to us about what our colors choices were. She knew what we were interested in and made it so much easier. Her taste was impeccable too. Could not argue with anything she showed us.
I think she listened and delivered, listened to what we wanted, said, I think this is what you're saying, and boom, showed us, and wow, it was great.
So we've done several projects in our 54 years of being married together, and honestly, it's overwhelming as you get older. Being in a condo building, there's so many rules you have to follow. I really, in the beginning, had my fingers crossed that this wasn't going to get people aggravated. You know, it was going to be a several-week project. It turned out to be the opposite. We came in and people were stopping us saying, who's working, what's your company? I have a project and these guys did such a great job. They're clean, they're quiet. As time went on, we got more comments like that. We had people banging on the door saying, what's the name of that company?
We had worries and concerns. OHI had the calming effect and the assurances.
We thought maybe we could put this together ourselves. I'm so glad we didn't. I'm so glad we didn't.
We were talked into getting a project manager. Best decision we made. It took all this off my back. And this guy was phenomenal. He took care of all the I's and T's and everything, dotted, crossed and everything. They interfaced with the city of Elmhurst to get permits and to get all the regulations and everything. It was just such a blessing.
I think the most unique thing in the whole project ended up being the fireplace. I thought it was going to be a little bit of a tile job. We're going to take off the old oak trim that went around the edges. And the next thing I know, she said, we're going to tile up to the ceiling. And I thought, wow. I mean, I expected this little tile job around where the wood used to be. It's like what catches your eye when you walk in now.
Well, if we were to do it over again, we'd definitely go with OHI and some of our neighbors who have asked for a recommendation. One of the questions they asked is, are you satisfied with the company you're working with? And the unequivocal answer was yes.
I would highly recommend OHI. Yeah. They made this project so much easier than we ever expected. They took the lead and made it easy for us. I'd highly recommend it.